If you're looking to upload a project on GitHub, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you all the steps you need to follow, so let's climb straight in. So to begin uploading your project to GitHub, you can use an existing repository. So if I jump into this repository over here on the left-hand side, you can literally just click on Add File, and here you can upload files over here. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and click on choose your files. You'll get access now to your local machine, and you can see here are the files that I would like to upload. So these files over here are a project, and once it's uploaded, depending on how large your files are or how many files you have, it should take a few seconds to a few minutes. You can also go ahead now and just click on commit changes. Now, you'll be doing the same thing if you're creating a new repository. So if you're going, say, into your repositories over here, let's just go back to the home page, and you're going into repositories and saying new repository. Once you create this new repository, you'll be able to just go down here, make sure that you add a README file, and then just click on create repository. Now once it's created, you will find this exact same page, and here you're going to go ahead and click on upload files, and you can upload your project straight into this new repository.